Angela the Shepsky yawned and curled into a soft ball. As she drifted to sleep, the stars above her blinked and shimmered. Suddenly, the world around her changed. She was no longer in her bed. Angela stood on a cloud, fluffy and cool beneath her paws. The sky was lavender and full of sparkles. A gentle wind whispered her name. Angela. She padded across the cloud, each step bouncing lightly. In the distance, glowing rivers flowed through the sky like ribbons of light. Angela followed them, her fur catching tiny star sparkles as she moved. She came to a field of flowers that hummed lullabies in the breeze. The petals tickled her nose and made her giggle. A moon-shaped boat floated nearby. Angela stepped in and the boat drifted across the clouds. Above her, owls with lanterns flew in slow circles, glowing golden and soft. One owl hooted kindly, "You're doing beautifully, dream traveler." The boat floated into a starry forest where each tree glowed gently. Angela climbed out and sniffed the air. It smelled like warm vanilla and nighttime. A bunny made of mist hopped by, leaving twinkly footprints. Angela followed until she reached a bubble tree. The tree grew shimmering bubbles filled with gentle sounds. She popped one, and it whispered, "You are loved." Angela's tail wagged. She curled up beneath the tree, and the world swayed like a lullaby. A gentle rain of stardust fell, covering her in soft silver sparkles. She felt warm, safe, and sleepy again. The cloud beneath her slowly turned into her bed. She opened her eyes in her room, smiling. What a beautiful dream, she thought.